Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to answer the question, what texture should I put on my walls and ceilings? When I'm doing the drywall, what should I do? What kind of finish should I do? So really the answer depends on what type of look you're going for the space. If you're going for a more modern look, a flat finish is going to be better. A flat finish is more what you're going to see in really big homes that are like, say the 5,000 square foot homes with really high ceilings. A lot of times they're going to do no texture there. You're also going to see that in really high-end luxury apartments and townhomes and condos, maybe like New York high-rise style. You're going to see flat, what we call level 5 smooth wall finish. So that's what you're going to do in that situation. If you're going for more of a tropical, maybe bungalow, or maybe like coastal design, what I'm going to recommend, and this is actually the most cost-effective way to finish your drywall, is to do what's called a knockdown texture on your ceilings and to do what's called an orange peel texture on your walls. Now, that is the standard in a lot of Florida construction for how you finish walls and ceilings, but I want to give you a couple other ones. If you're going for more of a mid-century or maybe even Gothic or more of like a classical look, you're probably going to also want to consider potentially even doing wallpaper as a wall finish in your space. In order to do wallpaper, you have to have a flat wall. You have to have not necessarily a level, what we call a level 5 smooth wall, but you need to be at least a level 3 or level 4, which means 3 or 4 coats of mud, not necessarily the 5 coat covering the entire board. If you want it to be absolutely magnificent and perfect, you do need to do the level 5 and then realize you're also going to pay to have the wallpaper applied. In addition to that, you have to have that smooth backing for the wallpaper to be nice and flat. So that's something to consider as well. Final thing I'll say is, if you're going for a really off-the-wall look and you're looking for something really unique and you're going to do maybe like I don't want to say safari because that sounds so weird, but more of like an African continental theme or maybe like an Egyptian theme or Gothic, you might actually even want to consider doing what's called a lace or skip trowel texture on your walls and ceilings. It's going to have a lot more body. I mean, this texture is going to be big, it's going to be noticeable, and it's going to give the walls a lot of dimension. It's going to make it look older. But if that's the look that you're going for, that can be an amazing way to finish your walls and ceilings. I've seen it done before, and it can look incredible when done by a skilled finisher and in the right application. So if you have questions on what to do in your specific project, I'd be happy to help you with those, and our design team can help you to pick the wall finish that's perfect for your renovation. If you go to homelove.construction/design, we actually have a design team who can help you figure that out in exactly the right way for your specific project. So again, that's homelove.construction/design. The link is in the description. Please go there to start your design project right now, and we can get to helping you with this. If you got value out of this video, I would appreciate you clicking that subscribe button below as well. Helps me out a lot, helps us do more projects, get more info, and then come and share it with you. Thanks for the attention. See you in the next vid. Peace.